What's up everybody? It's freezing cold today. I'm all set up to fly for the first time this thing here. Let's get it in the air. If you don't know what it is, then let me introduce you to the Antigravity A1. I don't get to review too many new gears, so I was really stoked when Antigravity contacted me about this drone, and now I'm able to talk about it. So thank you, Antigravity, for sending me this drone. Initially I thought that this was an FPV drone because of this, the vision goggles. Through those you get the full immersive flying experience, literally putting yourself in a cockpit. Now, based on what bundle you're gonna get, you're gonna receive different things, but the main items that you're gonna receive within your bundle are the same as per everyone else, and those include the motion controller, this one, okay, very similar to the DJI Avatar 2 motion controller or the original DJI Avatar. The vision goggles that we mentioned earlier on. With this one you get to experience the full immersive flying. Inside the goggles we find this, protects the lenses from getting scratched, and it's very very useful. The battery strap and the battery, and also a cable that will attach to the goggles. Personally, I'm not so much fan of this because eventually one day I will forget the cable, or even worse, I'm gonna lose it during a shooting day. I would have much preferred to have a battery strap with the goggles like the DJI Avatar 2. You're also gonna receive a battery charger that includes 2 battery slots for fast charging, plus a third on the back that is gonna attach here. You're also going to receive this hard case for keeping your drone inside. That is very, very neat. Within the bundle also I've received this useful landing pad, which is very important to prevent scratches during landing and taking off. And if you follow the link down in the description, you can get your landing pad for free with the purchase of your bundle of choice. There is a lot more to talk about this drone for one video only, so I will be doing more video like this in the future, talking more about the capabilities of this drone. For now, let's move back to the video. Okay, so the device is now linked to an account and is in a restricted flight mode. Please use the Antigravity app to pair your account and remove the restriction. Okay, how do I do that? So all you needed to do was to put your operator ID into the Antigravity app to unlock the full potential. So that was easy. Okay, so now that we're ready to go, I will look completely ridiculous. How do I record? Okay, so hold on a second because I'm a bit confused. Where is the cursor? Okay, so we got the menu. How do I screen record? Okay, so screen recording, there you go. Okay, screen recording here, perfect. There you go. Now I'm recording, start up the drone. Apparently you have to press this one twice. Ready to fly. Okay. Motors up, and then you need to push. The drone's up. That's so weird. What is the drone? Okay, so let's forward. Okay, so all I have to do currently now is to. What is the? Okay, so okay. The drone moves as I turn. That's so weird. Where are you? Where am I? Okay. Yeah, that's so cool. How do I go down? I feel like I'm not sure if I like this move though. I need to. It's so weird. Yeah, it's That's so weird. Personally, okay, let's land this thing. Ooh, I need to change a few things. I know for sure that I can change the button here. I need to change the, oh there you go, flight control to FPV mode. This one is more to what the DJI motion controller is, so it will be much more familiar for me to get a grip of it. So let's see how that goes. Slider up and the drone's up. Okay, so now it's more familiar to me. All I need to do is to turn around. Okay, I'm curious if there's going to be any train coming up soon. Well, no, I don't think there will be. Okay, so yeah, I'm in this position, in this location here near home. It's quite an open field, so I can fly around. Not ideal the weather, yes, true, but still. Right here in front of me, usually you got all the Tatra mountain, which is an amazing view, but unfortunately today we won't be able to see it. So let's see. All I can do is to fly straight, but I can move around. If I move around, I can see everything up and down, and the drone stays still in location. Okay. Yeah, not ideal to fly in this weather condition. What I noticed right away is that yes, you got the 360 camera, but at some point you can see the stitches. The stitching of the two cameras here on the horizon. What I also noticed right away is the field of view. The field of view, which is much larger than the normal DJI. The field of view is massive. Certainly, it's quite easy to fly, but you need to have a bit of surrounding awareness, because yeah, it's very weird, you know, to move around and everything. Plus, when you move around, I find a bit confusing is that the moment that I turn the head around, you see this square, it's showing me where the drone is going. But obviously, if I turn around, I'm more focused to my surrounding than where I'm going. So I think that this screen is slightly too small for its purpose. So you can easily get lost. Where am I going? Oh, there I see. Oh, another thing, I was looking at this X here, but no, that my orientation are those two lines. Could be disastrous. Okay, let's land it. Okay, I've got the train coming. Dun, dun, dun. I like this song. I like the music of it. Okay, so I've got drones out. Try. There's one thing I want to try. So now I'm here. Screen recording. Okay, so what I want to try to do is what it is. Virtual cockpit. There you go. Okay. Oh, look at that. There you go. Look at you. Yeah, that was worth doing at least once. Yeah, that's a lot of a gimmick for kids. Okay, so I think this is it for today. Anti-gravity. I mean, it's a great little drone. It's a great little drone. I'm for sure gonna test it even more. Well, the anti-gravity sent it to me, so it's worth checking it and see what else I can do with it. Stay tuned. If you like the video, subscribe. If you want to find out more about this drone, check the link down in description where you can find all the information in regards to it, and maybe you can get yours. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.